save you somehow. If I had superpowers, I'd save the world and you would be mine, mine. Have no fear, your hero is here. My super sense is telling me that danger is near. I'm getting close to you so I can watch your back. A villain's on the loose and he's ready to attack. But I'm not a superhero, I'm not that kind of guy. But I can save you, baby, give me a try. Cause I'm running out of time. I know what I came to do and I didn't come to lose. So I'll fight until you're mine. And if trouble comes around, I won't be backing down tonight. If you're in danger, I'm here to save you. That's what I'm made of. Give you my super love. Been fighting for your love for all this time. What I gotta do to make you mine? Got no super speed, but I'm running this town. If you